Assalamu alaikum. Since we have two software, one is FacelessClip AI, or other hai Faceless. Many people get confused about the actual difference between the two software and their purpose. How do these two software actually work? Many also talk about Faceless Scene Builder in the Faceless Clip group and vice versa, talking about Faceless Clip in the Scene Builder. So in today's video, I'll try to explain the difference between the two in a simple way. First, let me show an example. If I show an example like these story type videos, you see subtitles, voice, and images. The images slide a bit, matching the story. Not slide, actually, they zoom in, zoom out, pan in, pan out, and there are some others too, like these motivational audio clips. जहाँ वीडियोस जो हमें जनरेट करते हैं ऑडियो के विद अ सिंगल फुटेज. You can mainly create these with Faceless Clip and you can do it in one click. मतलब you provide the script and after setting everything and it will directly output the final video, this video to you. It will directly output this type of video and you can upload it directly to YouTube. And for Scene Builder, it's mainly for this type of video, meaning the real type videos, these real type videos, you can create these with Scene Builder. You cannot create these with Faceless Clip, but you can easily create them with Scene Builder. Conversely, you cannot create the videos made with Faceless Clip using Scene Builder. On a purpose different ho, onko video types different ho, their patterns are different, everything is different. Now there are some more differences. If we want to see more difference, for example with the Faceless Clip software, when you provide a script, the video will be created direct. But when you give a script or audio or whatever to us, it will first create the scenes for you. That is, it will create all the necessary scenes for the clip length you want based on that audio or script. It will create those scenes for you, meaning it will create the scene prompts maintaining 100% consistency. You'll then have to create images using those scenes or prompts. If you want to make image to video, you need to create images. If not, you can directly submit text to video and create the video, meaning you can create the clip. Then in this case, you'll need to use VU3 or SuperGrok or other video AI video platforms just to create videos using the Scene Builders prompts. तो Faceless Clips और Scene Builders के बारे में कुछ हॉबी है, night and day. And the other tasks like AI voice, subtitles and background music are the same. You can add these to both Faceless Clips but the video processing is completely different. If I look a bit more, for example, I have created the workflow for some other tasks here. With Faceless Clips, we first input a topic or a script. Then you can give a topic or a script. If you give a topic, it will generate a script. And if you give a script, it will generate images and then give you the final video which you can directly upload to YouTube. With the Scene Builder, if you give a story, idea or topic, it will break it down into scenes. Matlab, it will break it down into prompts. And if you want a voiceover, there are two types. One is you can directly generate audio into it, or if you want the voice to be within the prompt, और आज वॉइस ओवर चीज़ें हम अपने क्रिएट करें वीडियो के लिए तो you do that too. Finally, you'll need VU3, an AI video platform where you submit this image or your text, meaning the prompt, to create the video clip. By clicking render, you will adjust the background music and other things like logos, just like before, and you'll get the final video output in the Scene Builder. So that means the difference between the two is huge. If I go to the next one, here are some more feature comparisons. With the feature, you can directly upload the video you create using script, voice and image. This is for YouTube creators. Doko bane bulk videos matlab, and the Scene Builder is for your View 3. It will first create the scene prompt, whether it's for VU3, Grok या सिद्धांश। तो अब ये सबमिट करोगे प्रॉम्प्ट से जो क्रिएट दोज वीडियोज विल मर्ज एंड फाइनली व्हेन यू क्लिक रेंडर your merged final video will be ready and you can upload it. So this is the feature comparison. Look here, who are the users here? Users are content creators who want quick videos, who want to generate a video with one click, upload it, and don't have much time. On the other hand, Scene Builder is for those who want high quality and want to work with complex topics, who want to work with advanced topics. That's what the Scene Builder is mainly for. In short, the difference is that in faceless clips, everything is automatic. और सीन बिल्डर में ये प्रॉम्प्ट्स जानते हैं फॉर VU3 पर या साइडांस पर या ग्रॉक पर. You will submit those prompts one by one to create video clips. Then you will combine the video clip. This is the work of the scene builder. So let's see a demo of these two software programs. This is mainly the scene builder. This is the scene builder and this is our faceless clip. This is what we had made. This is for AI video to video and this is for Amazon affiliate. And if we look at this a bit, this is what I was talking about. So these are mainly created directly with API. फॉर ऑर्म तो आपको कॉपी जिस सीन्स जिसको एडिट सीन क्लिक कर दे, कॉपिंग देम यू कैन यूज VU3 और अदर प्लेटफॉर्म्स, ग्रॉक, साइडेंस, सोरा. You can directly submit this prompt to these types of platforms. Generate the clip, and after generating the clips there, you can click on open folder and keep the videos in generate video. You can click render again here and add logo, add background music, click confirm merge to merge everything and create your final video. So I hope you have understood the purpose of both faceless clip and scene builder, their differences, feature comparisons and everything else. Next, I hope there won't be any confusion about these things, and if you still have any questions, please ask us. You can ping us on our support chat or our live chat or submit a ticket. We'll do our best to provide a solution. Thank you. Goodbye.